Hello everyone. In today's lesson we will learn about natural logarithms. But before we learn that, watch my videos about introduction of logarithm and laws of logarithms. So your natural logarithm concept will be more clear. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel and press the bell icon to get the future notifications. Okay, let's get started. So in natural logarithms, we know e equal to approximately 2.71828. And then if you have any function that is e to the power x, if you get the inverse of this function, you will get log base ex. So log base ex is inverse of ex. So this log base ex is also known as natural log, and we can express it as ln x. So log base ex or ln x is same thing, and they are known as natural log. Ln x is the reflection of ex. So when you have ex line on the graph, ln x will show as reflection line. Now let's do practice on this. ln1, you can represent it as ln e to the power 0. We can represent 1 as e to the power 0. As we know, ln means log base e to the power 0. Same as normal log rules. If you see something like this, it's cancelled and you get 0 as your answer. As we know, ln is base e. So we try to change the number into base e. ln e, it will be ln e to the power 1. So the answer would be 1. ln e to the power 2. So we can say it will be 2. ln square root e, it will be ln e to the power half. So the answer would be half. Now ln 1 over e, we can represent it as ln e to the power minus 1. So answer would be minus 1. So our basic thing is we need to try to change as e because the base of the log is e. As we have done in base 10, we were changing the number as 10 to the power some number. So here we will try to change the number as e to the power. So we came to know ln e to the power x will be x. So this is our rule. ln e to the power x will be x. Now let's do it other way. We know that e to the power ln x. How will you solve it? We know ln is log base e. I remembered the log rule. This means it cancelled and we get only x. So same thing here. Our answer is x. So our rule says e to the power ln x will be equal to x. So these two rules will have to be used for our natural log questions. Now let's try some questions based on these rules. Question number 1 says ln e cube log base e cube. So it will be cancelled and answer would be 3. So ln e cube is 3. That's our first rule. Now question number 2, ln 1 over e square. So we can write it at e to the power minus 2. So our answer would be minus 2. One more example, ln cube root of e. So we can say ln e to the power 1 by 3. So answer would be 1 by 3. Or let's try one more, ln e to the power a times e to the power b. We remember the exponential rules. If base same, so power will be added. So it will be e to the power a plus b. And answer would be a plus b. So One more example. ln e times e to the power a. It means the base same, the power will be added. E means e to the power 1. So it will be e to the power 1 plus a. So answer would be 1 plus a. And if we have ln e to the power a over e to the power b, again we will apply our exponential rules. Exponential rule says if they are in divide and bases are same, so they can be expressed as in minus. So the answer would be a minus b. Now let's practice for our second rule, e to the power ln 3. As I've explained already, ln means log base e 3. So this can be cancelled. So our answer is 3. So always see ln as log base e. It will be very helpful. E to the power 2 ln 3. Now here, this 2 before ln means if it's log 3 to the power 2. So we can represent as log 2 log 3. If it's 2 log 3, we can put this 2 as power. So here, this 2 will go as a power of 3. So we can represent it as this, and E and ln will be cancelled and our answer would be 3 squared. That's 9. In question number 3, e to the power negative ln 5. So negative means negative 1 ln 5. So that means e ln 5 to the power negative 1. Log rule applied here. So you can say E and ln cancel. So answer is 5 to the power negative 1. And you can represent 5 to the power negative 1 as 1 over 5. Question number 4. E to the power negative 2 ln 2. So again, this negative 2 will be power of 2. So it will be 2 to the power negative 2. E and ln cancel. And answer is 2 to the power negative 2. If in the question it's given 50 and they want us to represent it in the form of e to the power k. We know e to the power ln this number equals to 50. So we can represent 50 as in the form of e to the power ln 50. So our answer would be e to the power ln 50. And ln 50 you get from the calculator, it will be 3.9120. So this is our answer. One more, if they gave you 0.005, so you can say e to the power ln 0.005. So ln 0.005 is approximately e to the power negative 5.2983. So that's our answer. Now the last rule, it says find x if ln x equal to 2.17. How will you do it? We can say, as in log rule, we know ln x equal to a. So x will be e to the power a because the base is e here. So the base will become the base of the exponent and this will become power. So same as in log rule we need to do in ln rules. So don't get confused. Try to put the same rule here. So ln x equal to 2.17. So x will be exponential 2.17. So it will be x will be approximately 8.76. One more example we try, ln x equal to negative 0.384. So x will be exponential negative 0.384 and the value will be approximately 0.681. So this is our laws of natural log. It's exactly same as of log rules. So just a revision, ln A plus ln B will be ln AB, ln A minus ln B it will be ln A over B, n ln A, so n will go as a power of A, so it will be ln A to the power n. So it's same as you have done in logarithm. But I will give few questions to try this out. So question number 1, ln 5 plus ln 3. So we can combine them. It will be ln 5 times 3. So it will be ln 15. And you can give the answer of ln 15 with the help of calculator. Or ln 5 minus 1. We know ln 5. What is 1? Can you express this as in ln form? Yes. Ln e to the power 1 can be expressed as 1. So now ln will be ln 5 over e, because here the number is e. So this is our answer. Question number 3. 2 ln 7 minus 3 ln 2. So now the third rule first we apply. It will be ln 7 square minus ln 2 cube. As if it is in minus, so it will be ln 49 over. That's our answer. If the question is given like, show that ln 1 over 9 equal to negative 2 ln 3. So let's start from left hand side. So left hand side says ln 1 over 9. We can represent it as ln 3 to the power minus 2, because 9 is 3 to the power 2 and we are taking it up, so it will be 3 to the power minus 2. Now this minus 2 will come in front as of the ln rule. So minus 2 ln 3. So that's our answer. This which is equal to right hand side. So we can express it as this. This type of questions are most interesting in logarithm. So if question is given, write the following equations without log. If it's given ln A equal to 2 ln C plus 3. So first of all, try to bring all ln at one side and numbers at other side. So it will be ln A minus 2 ln C equal to 3. Now let's apply ln rules. Let's bring this power as a power of C. So it will be ln C square equal to 3. Now let's club them in one ln. So it will be ln A over C square will be equal to 3. Now we know that if we have something like this, we can x equal to ln something, we can express it as A over C square will be E cube. We are changing it in exponential form. We have removed the ln, so it will be E cube and A will be C square E cube. So now there is no more ln. Let's do last example. ln m equal to 3 ln a minus 2. Again, ln one side minus 3 ln a equal to negative 2. Now apply the ln rules. Ln m minus ln a cube, because this 3 will become the power of a. So now let's apply the ln law. It says ln m over a cube equal to minus 2. Now, let's remove ln. If you remove ln, it will be m over a cube equal to e to the power minus 2. Now, m will be a cube over e square. I'm changing the power in positive because that's the best way to express your answer.
Don't leave the powers in negative. I hope natural logarithm concept is clear to you now. In our next video, we will learn about exponential equations. Bye for now.